In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Slackbot AI to answer questions from your knowledge base. Let's jump right in and get this working step by step. Start by opening Slack in your browser and signing into your workspace. Once you're inside, look at the left sidebar and click a channel where you want the bot to live. This could be the general channel or any test channel you prefer. Keep this Slack tab open because you'll be coming back to it a little later. Now let's open Needle and create a collection. Open a new browser tab and go to needle.app/dashboard. Once the dashboard loads, click the plus new button in the top right corner of the page. From the menu, select Collection, then choose a project and then click on Create. A dialog will appear asking you to name your knowledge base. Type a name that describes its purpose. In this example, the collection is being called Company Handbook. Once you've typed the name, click on Save. The new collection will open with an empty file list, and this is where your knowledge base will live. Next, let's upload your knowledge base file. Inside the collection, click Upload Files, or simply drag and drop the file onto the file area. Select the handbook file from your computer. In this example, the file is called companyhandbook.md. Confirm the upload, and the file will appear in the collection with an indexing status indicator. Wait for the status to switch to ready or indexed because the bot can only query the file once indexing is complete. Now let's generate your API key and copy your collection ID. With the collection still open, look at the URL or the collection header and copy the collection ID. This is the unique string shown for this collection. Paste it into a scratch pad because you will need it later. After that, head to the bottom left of the page, click your username, and select Settings. On the Account Settings page, scroll down until you reach the API Key section. Click Generate API Key, then click the copy icon next to the key. Paste this key into your scratch pad as well, since you'll be using it shortly. Next, let's install the Needle Slackbot in your workspace. Open a new tab and go to bots.needle.app/slack/install. On the Slackbot page, confirm the correct workspace is selected in the top right dropdown. Review the permissions the Needle app is requesting, and then click Allow. Slack will redirect you back and send a welcome direct message from the Needle app, which confirms that the install worked correctly. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Now let's invite and configure the bot in your channel. Return to the Slack tab and click the channel you picked earlier. In the message box at the bottom, type /invite, then at Needle, and press Enter to add the bot to the channel. Next, type /API key and press Enter. A field will appear, so paste the API key you copied earlier and submit it. After that, type /collection and press Enter. Paste the collection ID you copied earlier and submit that as well. After each command, Needle will reply with the confirmation message so you know the channel is now bound to the collection. Now let's ask Needle a question. In the same channel, type a question that tags the bot. For instance, type at Needle, how many vacation days do we get? And then press Enter to send. Needle will open a new thread under your message and reply with the answer pulled from the uploaded handbook. Click the thread to see the full answer along with any source references Needle has included. Your Slack channel now has an AI bot that reads from your knowledge base. Tagging at Needle with any question returns an answer sourced from the documents in the collection. You can upload more files to the collection at any time, and the bot will answer from those as well. Congratulations! Your Slackbot AI is ready to go.